I didn't show you my last two slides, but the camera shut off. So, I'm going to show you mine last, because his is better than mine. So, it's this orange, you should show it.
So it's like orange, and there's like little like chunks of crayons and stuff.
Our crayon version, aka those little thingies that like...
Crunchy slime?
No, how do you explain those crayon things that we chopped, that were those crayons were from?
They twist, and you can like color with them.
Yeah, those kind.
And
But whenever you break it, you could use it for an LPS crayon.
yeah.
And then this is my slime. Comment down below whose you think is better.
It's definitely yours.
How?
I never even touched it. Wow, yours is way better. That's why.
I just she said she wasn't done, and I just kept putting more and more and more and more and more crayon chunks. Until eventually she brought up the idea of the LPS crayon things, these. I'm putting an orange in mine. And, yeah. I like how we're just, like, not moving. But just,
Bye, guys.